Never chase the algorithm. Beat it before it even knows what hit it. If your videos are getting ghosted by the new YouTube algorithm and you feel like you're screaming into the internet void with the energy of a motivational speaker at a retirement home, this is your cheat code. And yes, it works, even if you have zero editing skills and think retention is just a hair product. Alright, quick favor. And no, I'm not asking you to help me move. Just hit that subscribe button like it accidentally liked your ex's photo at 2 a.m. Then go ahead and tap the bell like you're trying to wake it up from a nap. Why? Because I drop fresh videos every single day, and honestly, missing them will be like skipping dessert after dinner. We're diving deep into the good stuff. So buckle up, hydrate, or maybe stretch a little. Your future YouTube genius self is gonna thank you. Now, enough rambling. Let us get into the part where your content starts crushing it instead of collecting dust. Here's the brutal truth. YouTube just hit the reset button again. 1 week, your views are climbing faster than a cat in a bathtub, and the next, crickets. You post daily, you try shorts, long form, vertical, square, trapezoid, nothing works. You even change your thumbnail 42 times and your title 12 more. Still tanking. Sound familiar? You're not alone, and no, you're not cursed. The algorithm really did change. But here's the twist nobody's screaming from the rooftops. Some creators are thriving, not because they know a secret handshake with the YouTube gods, but because they understand one ridiculously simple thing. The algorithm doesn't lead, it follows. In this video, I'm handing you the 4-minute cheat code to beat the new YouTube algorithm. Actually, scratch that. We're going deeper than 4 minutes because we're not here to hack the system. We're here to understand it so deeply that it has no choice but to fall in love with your content like a rom-com protagonist in the third act. By the end of this, you'll know exactly how YouTube's algorithm thinks, what makes it fall head over heels for your content, and how to structure your videos so it can't stop recommending them to the world. Miss this, and you'll keep making amazing videos for an audience that never even gets a chance to see them. Let's dive in. No fluff, no filler, just the truth about how to make the YouTube algorithm your unpaid intern. Okay, let's start with some backstory. The YouTube algorithm has always been this spooky black box, like a magic 8-ball that decides your fate with answers like try again later and outlook not so good. For years, creators were told it's all about metadata. Use the right keywords, add the right tags, and upload at 3:17 p.m. every Tuesday while standing on one foot. It was treated like witchcraft. But in 2023, or now in 2024, YouTube finally gave us the real tea. The algorithm doesn't push videos. It pushes what people are already watching. Let that sink in. YouTube's not a pusher, it's a follower. The homepage, that infinite scroll of distraction we all get lost in, is tailored to you. It's like Netflix with commitment issues. It's based on what you've watched, rewatched, clicked on, skipped, abandoned, or obsessively binged at 2 a.m. So if your video doesn't scream, watch me louder than a toddler in a toy store, it's not getting recommended. Want proof? Let's say you make productivity videos. You drop a banger called Top 10 Productivity Hacks for 2024. Sounds helpful, right? Wrong. Now compare that to this title. I worked like Elon Musk for 30 days. Here is what happened. Boom, that's a story. That's curiosity. That's a wait. I need to see this train wreck. Same niche, same info, different energy. One's a TED Talk. The other's a Netflix doc you accidentally finish in one sitting. YouTube's new algorithm loves videos that intrigue viewers and then keep them watching with storytelling. It doesn't care how smart you sound. It cares how long people stay. It wants Netflix energy, not Wikipedia energy. This is the part most creators mess up. They focus on SEO, hashtags, perfect lighting, whether or not to use a B-roll of a squirrel looking pensive, all that. But none of it matters if the first 30 seconds of your video make people yawn. And here's the harsh truth. Over 70% of videos that fail, according to YouTube's own data, lose viewers within the first 30 seconds. Not because the video sucks, but because the intro does. So how do we fix it? Let's get into the actual cheat code. 4 steps to beat the YouTube algorithm and make it your loyal hype man. Step 1, obsess over the click. Your title and thumbnail aren't accessories. They are your content. They are the tiny billboards on YouTube's digital highway. If they don't stop the scroll, nobody's even stepping foot inside your video. This is where most people fall flat. They go for safety, for descriptive, for accuracy. Plus YouTube isn't school. No one's giving you points for being accurate. So instead of how to use Canva to design better thumbnails, try this free Canva hack made my thumbnails go viral overnight. See the difference? One is a tutorial. The other is a secret. One sounds like a homework assignment. The other sounds like you're letting them in on a cheat code. Add tension, add mystery. Use this, you won't believe what happened next. Yes, it's clickbait, but honest clickbait. Like, this app made me $2,000 while I slept. If it's true, say it. Step 2, nail the first 15 seconds. You're now in the gladiator arena of attention. These seconds determine if someone sticks around or disappears faster than your motivation after buying a gym membership. Avoid the classic rookie mistake. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. No, that's not an intro, that's a sleep cue. Start with a bang, a bold statement, a shocking stab, or personal confession. Anything that creates a question they must get answered. Try. I almost quit YouTube last week until this one tweet brought me 10x more views. Boom, you've just opened a curiosity loop. Now they have to know what the tweak was. That's how you hold attention. You give the setup but delay the punchline. Just don't go full soap opera. Keep it honest. No need to fake a medical emergency to explain why your thumbnail font changed. Step 3, structure for retention. This is the meat of your video. Most people think content is king, but structure is kingmaker. You can say the exact same thing. A one version gets 1,000 views. The other gets 1 million. The trick? Pattern breaks. YouTube tracks when people scrub, skip, rewind, and bounce. It knows when your video becomes background noise. Defy that. Mix it up. Change tone. Add humor. Drop a stab. Throw in a weird analogy. Think of your video like a roller coaster, not a train track. You don't want your viewer thinking, I get the point halfway through. You want them thinking, wait, what happens next? Examples work wonders here, like this one. Let's say you're teaching people how to grow a faceless YouTube channel. You could say, upload consistently to build audience trust. Or you could say, imagine Netflix dropped season 1 of Stranger Things, then ghosted you for a year. Would you still care? Exactly. Consistency builds trust. Ghost your audience and they'll ghost you right back. Boom, same point. But now it's sticky. One-liners help too. I like to say, your audience doesn't owe you loyalty. You have to earn it like a caddis affection. Step 4, end with value, not just a CTA. Most people end videos with, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Okay, cool. But you've just gone from teacher to desperate street performer. Instead, end with a payoff and a teaser. For example, now you know how to beat the algorithm, but if you want to turn views into actual income, check out the next video where I show how I made $2K from one faceless video using Canva. That's not a CTA. That's a Netflix next episode button with sugar on top. Let's talk about real life applications now. Example time. There's this one channel with under 5,000 subscribers. They dropped a video titled, I copied Mr. Beast as YouTube strategy for 30 days. Here's what happened. That video got over 2 million views. Why? It uses a known name, Mr. Beast, with authority plus curiosity. It's framed as a story. I tried X mile journey. It promises a result. Here's what happened. Type payoff. That's algorithm food right there. Another example. My friend runs a tiny finance channel. He changed one title from now How I Save Money Weekly to How I Save 10K. This year using one rule, no budget needed. Same video, triple the views. The title made it feel like a trick, a secret, a shortcut. That's what humans love. That's what the algorithm follows. So the big takeaway, don't optimize for robots, optimize for humans. YouTube's algorithm is literally just following the crowd. If people love your video, YouTube will too. It's like that one friend who only likes bands after they're already famous. One final mindset shift. Most creators are still using their old playbook. Daily uploads, focus on tags, pray to the SEO gods. But in 2024, the game has changed. YouTube doesn't reward effort, it rewards impact. You could post once a month and grow faster than someone uploading every day. If your video makes people click, stay, and feel something, that's the real metric, viewer satisfaction. And the good news? You don't need a big channel. You don't need fancy gear. You just need to be sharp with your storytelling, titles, and structure. Let me end with this. The algorithm will keep changing again and again. But if you master these 4 things, titles that spark curiosity, hooks that open loops, structure that keeps people watching, endings that leave them wanting more, then you'll never have to chase the algorithm again because it'll be chasing you. Now you know how to beat the new YouTube algorithm. Awesome, bud. Do you want to know how to build your first Faceless channel from scratch and turn it into cash flow? If this video made you laugh, learn, or say, huh, I didn't know that, go ahead and smash that thumbs up button like it owes you money. And hey, if you want daily videos that show you how to build a faceless YouTube channel with AI, grow it like a digital empire, and maybe even ditch your 9-to-5 for good, hit that subscribe button. It's free, unlike everything in Starbucks right now. Now, I want to hear from you. Seriously, drop a comment below and let's keep this party going. Got questions, confused, excited, just want to say hi? I read them, even the weird ones. And don't stop here. Click that next video on your screen. It's packed with even more YouTube growth secrets that'll make your competition wonder if you've been secretly mentored by Mr. Beast himself. Trust me, your binge watching has only just begun.